is about the future of the electric and metal processing industry. We have to question everything. How we see ourselves, how we see the world around us, and everything we do in our lives. We've always been highly ingenious with getting ahead faster, safer, more reliable, and giving a complete solution for the electricity industry. We're passionate about strategic partnerships with internationally recognized manufacturers, the technology of Industry 4.0, and sustainability. We've always gone that extra mile to move beyond what's possible today. 3 decades of manufacturing low-voltage switchgear, control gear, and EX and LV assemblies have brought us trust, confidence, and assurance that our products and services can fulfill every customer's needs. With the help of automated warehousing, we can speed up sheet metal processes and take laser cutting, bending, surface treatment, punching, grinding, sealing, and welding to the next level. With know-how against the challenges, we can take this technology to perfection and sustainability in the future. We are our future craftsmen. We pride ourselves on our abilities to take our products, combining EK Electric and EK Metal, from development to execution, and add value to their finished form for our customers. This is what we do. We are not taking anything for granted. We care about the future, the green world, and future generations. Elpro Križnič, reliable solutions.